How to fix we cannot send a text message to this phone number on Twitter. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Open the apps on this page. You need to wait a few seconds and then search here for Twitter like this. Click on the Twitter. Now this is the app informations page, or what you want to do on this page, click on the notifications management, and then all what you want to do is disable this badges option like this. Go back. Now click on the storage, click on clear data to clear all the data. As you can see, this includes all files, settings, accounts, databases. So click delete and that's it. Now open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, for example. Okay, after you open it, search for Twitter and then update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.